Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're gonna take a look at two Hot Wheels cars I got today. First, we have a 1995 Mazda RX-7, pretty nice color from the Drift series. Next, we have a beautiful Liberty Walk Super Silhouette Nissan Silvia. Pretty cool. It's from the Hot Wheels Turbo series, so pretty cool. So the first one we're gonna open is the 95 RX-7. So let's crack her open. Let's take a look at this. So, wow, hold up. That's actually very nice. So let's put it here, and I'll talk about it for a bit. Let's turn it on. Alright guys, taking a look at the car. I really love the body of the car and the pop-up headlights. I love the green, lots of sponsorships on the car. Kind of like a nice fading on top of the car right there. Has some pretty nice kind of like how it swaps the blue and green. Really like the white tires, pretty cool. There are no back headlight tampos or front headlight tampos, but still a pretty cool car to have in the collection. So really love how it just kind of swaps color, like just the green and blue. Very cool. So alright, let's take a look at the next car that we have. So let's do that real quick. Beautiful car. Just put it right there. Put all the garbage on the side. Alright, next car we got is the Nissan Silvia Liberty Walk. So let's crack it open. Okay, that was a very clean opening. I've actually never... Oh, what? That feels so nice in my hand. Whoa. That is just a beautiful casting. Look at that. Hold on. Let me just put it here. Oh, now I really want to buy more of these, but... Oh, my God. Alright, taking a look at this car, you got so much stuff to say. I really love the white, kind of like pearl color. I love the body kit and everything. Has lots of Japanese writing on it. It says Liberty Walk, LBWK. Very nice, like, hollow headlights made of plastic, which is very good. The rims have no paint or anything on it. I really love the kind of like strip design or lightning on the car. Very nice yellow. But still, look at the headlights. They're like a very like hollow. Look at the little lip at the front. Ginormous. Right there. But still, I really love this car and the whole body kit of it. But still, wow. I'm just going to admire it for a bit. But anyways, guys, I hope you liked the video. Make sure to like and subscribe. And I hope you have a good day. Stay safe. Bye.